A professionally installed home security system can provide you with a peace of mind, protection from intruders and would-be thieves. Whenever a home security system is installed by Benn Lock & Safe, the installer will usually fix a visual deterrent outside your home, indicating that it is protected by our security company. This little feature alone can actually be enough to deter would-be intruders, but there is much more to a home security system than that. If an intruder actually makes it into your home, the alarm is activated by one of the many sensors throughout the home and an audible alarm will sound. Although the alarm sound will usually scare off intruders pretty quickly and reduce the amount of time they're in your property, the system will also notify responsible persons of your choice, who will then visually confirm there is an intruder and be expected to immediately notify the local police. Some sensors are also equipped with cameras so you can record the intruders in action, which can assist authorities in catching the criminals and bringing them to justice. Getting a home security system installed in your home should not be looked at as an expense, but as a smart investment for any family. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call or stop by our website for more information. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have about protecting your home and your loved ones.